If you are constantly receiving this message not sent when you try to send a text message to any of your contacts, then let me show you how you can resolve this. My name is Isaac and this is a Minute with AI. So I've been trying to send a message to this contact and I've tried all options, even with checking the option and sending it again, but nothing seems to happen. So if you're encountering such a problem, then let me show you how to solve it. First, you need to go to your apps and then look for the settings option and open it. Then go to apps and here is apps. Tap on it to open. Then look for manage apps and then go and look for message application on your smartphone, and my message application is here. If I tap on it, then you need to go to notifications and look for it, and here it is. Now you want to make sure that all these are turned on. As you can see, mine are turned on. So if any of these, maybe your notification was turned to off, it could be the reason why you're not receiving or you can't send the messages. But for my case, it seems that's not the issue. So if that didn't solve your issue, then use the second method. Now here, go to settings and again tap on apps and open manage apps. Then look for the message app, and the message app is here. Now this time around, go to storage and you have to look for cache. Now one of the main reasons why your message app is misbehaving is because of accumulation of cache. These are files that ensure the smooth running of the app. However, when they accumulate, they cause malfunctioning of your app. You want to go ahead and clear this cache, and to clear the cache, you can just come down here and you can see we have an option called clear cache. Tap on it and then select the option clear cache, and now you can see the cache is 0. Now from here, go and restart your smartphone and then go back and resend your message, and that should solve that problem once and for all. So if that didn't solve the problem, then you may want to go and look for any update on your Play Store. So open Play Store and then look for message, and as you can see, here is our message app. It is already installed. Go ahead and open it. Then you may want to go and look for any update. So if you have an update here, go ahead and update it and then go try sending the message. So by using any of the three methods, you will be able to solve your problem once and for all. So if this video was helpful to you, kindly hit the like button and subscribe to this channel to support me. Thank you for watching, and let's meet in the next video.